Here's Poppin' Playboys. It's your boy Sean back again with another video today. And today we're gonna be doing something easy, I hope, because it's my first time ever doing it. But we're gonna be installing some rear camber arms on my 2015 Civic Si. So yeah, let's get it bit started, man. Alright, so bought some camber arms. They look pretty nice. Hopefully they're durable. I don't know. We'll find out today. Hopefully they fit. So yeah, I don't know why I opened my car doors. Let's get this car jacked up and I'm gonna get back to you when the car is in the air and I got the jack stands under there. Hey, I should rap. I'm a rapper now. So alright, car's up in the air now. Both sides. I don't know why I went on the other side. You guys can't just see it as up in the air, but yeah, it's time to take off the tires. Here, bro, life would be so much easier if I didn't have these damn planes flying over me, and if I had a freaking compact, whatever it's called, what's it called? An impact drill. There we go. Because oh my gosh, taking off these lugs is annoying every time, bro. Every time. So there goes one side, and there goes the other side. Whew. That was so tiring, and I didn't even start working yet. Jesus. All right, let's start working then. Let's start working then. Let's start working then. I need to stop saying you're. Alright, so to take off this camber arm, literally it's like 3 bolts. It's this bolt right here, and then it's those 2 bolts in the back. If you guys can see that. Let's see if we can zoom in. If this wire gets out the way. Those 2 bolts in the back. So after you get those 2 and this one out right here, you should be a-okay. By the way, if you have a breaker bar, life will be so easier. So this bolt right here is a 14. I don't know if my measurements are wrong or anything, cause whatever, it's a 14, it's a 14. So right here is a 14, and I hope that those are 14s in the back too, but I can't confirm that until I get there. So yeah, I'm gonna break this bolt. Or should I break those 2 first? That doesn't matter, but yeah, I'm gonna break this bolt and then I'm gonna get those 2 in the back. So let's get started. There goes one bolt. Alright, so the back bolts are 14. So yeah, do the same thing you did to the front one. Alright guys, so this has been like 3 hours since I've been doing this, and I think I'm giving up because on the driver's side there's a bolt that's like hard to put back in, and today I got stuff to do. So I was like, yo, I'm just gonna do this another time. If I had like a drill, what is that called? A drive, or thing that goes zzz, zzz. I'm so tired I can't even speak right now. If I had one of those, life would be so much easier, and I would have had these camber arms in like probably 2 hours ago. And plus that one bolt right there, that one bolt on the passenger side too, closer to your coil, oh my gosh, that one's hard to take out too. So I got stuff to do today. I can't really dedicate all my time to do this. So this is gonna be it for this video. This is gonna be a fail. My first fail, or second fail, that's on this channel. So yeah, if you guys got any suggestions on how to take those bolts out, well, take out that one bolt and screw back the other one, please drop it in the comment box, the comment section, anything. So alright, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Stay lit, stay zoovie. I'm out. Oh yeah, please comment, subscribe, like, share. I'm tired. Deuces.